What's up, YouTube? Today I'd like to show you how to make some guides to help you use your bandsaw. Okay, so I've got this 10-inch Craftsman bandsaw here. It's sort of a consumer grade quality. I use it for a lot of different things. But every time I go to cut a 90 or a 45 with a little, your bandsaw, whatever make you have, probably came with a thing that looks like this. I have to go in and verify that I have the angle right because I don't trust that little guide. Using that little guide and you mark up a 45 or a 90 on here. A lot of times there's errors with that because this little guide is not really a precision instrument. So I go in there and I check with the triangle to make sure that I have the angle right. So after doing that a few hundred times, I get a little tired of checking all the time. So considering that most of the cuts I make are 90 degree or 45 degree, I went in and made some little guides like this out of wood. So all you got to do is whatever your little channel is in the table of your bandsaw, make your guide that width and that depth right here. And then you go with your triangle or whatever, square or whatever you want to verify this 90 with, verify that it's right, and then use a clamp like this and some carpenter's glue just to clamp it together. So now you've got this 90 pre-made, and most of the cuts I make are 90 degrees, so I got that one pre-made, and I made one just like it for the 45. So these fit right in this little guide here. They slide in here, you sand them till they're snug, and they're verified 45. So if you're making some miter cuts to make picture frames or whatever you're making, you verify with your triangle that this is exactly 45, and I think you're going to find that your cuts are going to come out accurate, and you're going to save a lot of time. So what I do, I just hang these on the little table for the bandsaw, and they're there. Every time I go to reach for them, they're there. So save yourself a lot of time. I guess this has some kind of use for odd angles and things. I don't know. I don't use it very much because I have to check it all the time. So make these little guides like this, and you're going to save a lot of time with not having to constantly check, or save a lot of time in rework because you had your angles right the first time. Okay, folks. Thanks. That's all for today. Bye.